But there was one piece of evidence that he pointed me towards. And this, I think, became a feature of the trial. And it was relevant. And that piece of evidence was that his accuser was a registered sex offender. And the reason that became relevant was because, and I made a motion in limine about this. I put everybody on notice that this was going to be an issue. I had case law ready. So all I had to do was set the evidentiary predicate to get this admitted. And the reason that it was relevant, normally prior bad acts don't come in at trial, okay, because they're irrelevant. We just want to know what's relevant to the situation here, what's relevant to whether or not this crime was committed. Well, the accuser being a registered sex offender was relevant to whether this crime was committed because it showed motive, okay? And as we all know, a registered sex offender has a very hard time finding a place to stay, has a very hard time finding a place to rent. So now we have a motive for this guy to avoid eviction and to kick my client out of his house so that he doesn't have to worry about finding a new place to stay.
Kick your client out of his own house, right?